Hey everybody, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We're back. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit that notification bell while I've got your attention here. But today we're right at Lake Pleasant, and this is the Touch-A-Truck event, which apparently is pretty cool. I guess we'll see.
It's been going on for a few years. They just have all big equipment here that kids can climb all over.
Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Okay, what's going on here? Okay, get off the horns. What in the heck is this?
You can push the horn yourself?
Must be. What's this? This looks like a some kind of cement truck. Yeah, you know, it'll pump the cement up high, wherever that might be.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Got me.
It's probably the biggest one I've ever seen. Wow. Okay, that's gonna get annoying. Yeah, they put it out to the area here if you want to promote your business, like this truck driving school right here.
That's a long truck.
I think it's probably normal size.
Really? It just looks much longer.
Okay, now
Helicopter. Long line for the helicopter.
you guys know how I like to touch stuff. Okay, yeah. So they dump the cement into here, and then it pumps it however high. This massive forklift here. Oh yeah.
Lift them out of the water?
Hmm?
Does that truck lift them out of the water?
Right. Lifts them, puts them on and off the trailers. Oh, okay, that's a sheriff's helicopter, Maricopa County Sheriff. The sheriff's office thing over there. We'll just watch them take off here.
I was thinking maybe they'd have, like, you know, mining equipment, the real big mining vehicles. But I don't see that.
Yeah. Drop the hook down and pick her up, I suppose.
That's all I'm wondering.
Guess we're gonna get a little demonstration, maybe. sure if you guys can see them, but they're a couple of them are climbing out on the runner. And I'm guessing they're gonna lower one of them down to rescue this lady here that's laying on the ground. Yeah, I can't zoom in. This is a GoPro. So, sorry about that. Look at the dust. It's pretty cool. Blowing the dust. Putting a vest on her. Hopefully you guys can zoom in. They probably like this next year. All right, coming back to get her. Or them. You guys can see there, but they're lowering the cable again. was cool. Never, you know, you see it on TV all the time. Never seen it in person.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what else we got here. Here we go. Look at this old Chevy. Nice. What are they gonna do? Extend it out as far as it'll go, as high as it'll go, maybe?
I don't know.
Wow. About as high as a helicopter. They could have just lifted her up with that. Holy cow, that gets up there. Pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And you know that if you're in that, it's going to be wobbling, you know, like swaying around in there. Okay. Yeah, that helicopter was Maricopa County. I don't know if I said that before. Maybe you guys could see it, but got their mobile command center here. Lisa straying away here. It's got this airboat here. Is that what they're called? Airboat? Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, you guys might know Maricopa County and Tent City. Sheriff Joe was sheriff here. He was a great sheriff. Peoria Police Department. That's police there. Our militarized police. Okay. Should we go down and show them the marina?
Yeah, we can go around. Are we driving down there or walking? Walk,
yeah. Okay, we're going to show you guys the Pleasant Harbor Marina here at Lake Pleasant. Oh, our new addition. We call it BB. Baby Blue. There's a good barbecue place down there by the marina. We're gonna go up here and see how long the line is for there's little shuttles that can bring us down here, and we'll take you down to the marina, hopefully. Better than walking.
That's a hell of a lot better.
It's quite a ways.
Yeah. I didn't realize you go back. It's all in their section of it.
Got the Pleasant Harbor dinner cruise boat over there. Oh, this is Dillons KC Barbecue Bayou. Just look out here first.
Yeah.
Been a while since I've been down here. When was the last time you've been down here?
I don't know if I've ever been.
Never been?
I don't think I've ever been. No, I don't think I've ever been down here. Okay, now this is all floating, or maybe not floating, but
piers, I guess a pier. All the boats. Propane supply, I guess.
Very cool.
That looks like the lake's down a little bit.
Does look a little lower. Let's go find the bathrooms.
Okay. Okay, we're in Dillons, Kansas City barbecue, right on the water. With a couple of cold ones and some waters. That was kind of a fun afternoon, huh?
Yeah, it was. It was just kind of low key and relaxing.
Yep. Spend the afternoon at the lake, and we should have this video out within a week or two. Today is Saturday, February 24th. But yeah,
It's kind of had a low vibe to the whole weekend, and it was like pleasant.
yeah. With that helicopter, the rescue, that was cool. If you guys are able to zoom in, because I know this GoPro is, it's wide angle. But yeah, then those trucks, I thought there'd be some more bigger trucks.
True, yeah.
But and then the Marina and a couple beers and onion rings at Dillons down on the Marina. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this up. We love you guys. Love each and every one of you. So we'll see you
On our next adventure.
next time. Bye.